I humbly pray His Holiness Sri Sugunendra Tirtha Swamiji of Puttige Matha to speak a few words of blessings.
व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमस्मरणात् भवेत्। आपादमौलिपर्यन्तं गुरूणाम् आकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नाः प्रणश्यन्ति सिद्ध्यन्ति च मनोरथाः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। In Gita, Sri Krishna says, Shuchinam Srimatam Gehe Yoga Prashto Bijayate. He says, all people are interconnected and he is the center. The message was experienced by me today. Our great person, Ratan Tata, he was connected through Lord Sri Krishna. I can say he has connected through Venkateshwara. That is why Venkatu has made this connection practical. Today, I am very glad to have the great devotee of Lord here in our Matha, Ratan Tata ji here. Because it is all God made. We met accidentally and we became very close and we are very connected now. Every person, it is only previous birth connection. So I think we had the previous connection in our previous birth through God. That is why again we are connected in this life also. And Ratan Tata is the blessed person by God. All of us, we see his outside achievement. For all achievement, the inside reason is blessings of God. That is why all the time I tell the management technique, the highest final technique is blessings of God. Though we are all having all kinds of skills, no blessings, no management. Our Ratan Tata ji, he was blessed by God. He was in the list of God. That is why he has achieved all the impossible possible. Now we are all proud of him. Whole country is proud of him. And whole mankind is remembering him. So we remember behind him there is a great blessings of Lord. To remember that God has sent him to the place of Narasimha here and he wanted to bless him again. And I hope our Ratan Tata ji is like a Ratna Ratha. We offered the gold diamond Ratha to Lord Krishna. This is the replica of that. That was only material. Today we see live Ratna Ratha here. Our Ratan Tata is the live Ratna Ratha. He is the abode of Lord. He is the gem. That is why his parents has given the name Ratan, Ratna. He is the Ratha because he is feeding nearly 20 lakhs people. It is not easy. In Upanishad it says, who is feeding one person, then his life is successful. If someone is feeding 20 lakhs people, then what kind of success? So he is most blessed person by the God, and he is like Ratna Ratha, is the like a gem. So that I am very glad to have in the presence in the Sannidhanam of Narasimha and Panduranga Vittala here, and I hope he is regained the strength. And we pray Lord Krishna to bless him, and we want to see his centenary celebrations. And we also want to celebrate his Shatamanotsava in Puttige. In Puttige, his name is permanent. This 500 years old Samsthanam, and we renovated since 2 years, and today we finished that. It is final touch was given by our Ratan Tata, so that I am very glad. This is the place where he is regaining the strength, and I hope Krishna is going to bless him and to serve the nation and to serve the mankind. And I pray with the heart, Lord Sri Krishna, to bless him with more strength, and with the prayer I am giving the prasadam of Lord Sri Krishna now.
ಹನುಮಂತನ ಘಟಿಕಾ ಚಲದಿ ನಿಂತ ಪಟು ಹನುಮಂತನ ಪಠನೆಯ ಮಾಡಲು ತಟದಿ ಪೊರೆವೆನೆ ಪಠನೆಯ ಮಾಡಲು ತಟದಿ ಪೊರೆವೆನೆ ಘಟಿಕಾ ಚಲದಿ ನಿಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಹನುಮಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಹನುಮಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಹನುಮಂತ 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 ಘಟಿಕಾ ಜಲದಿ ನಿಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ ಘಟಿಕಾ ಜಲದಿ ನಿಂತ ಚತುರಯುಗದಿ ತಾನೋ ಅತಿ ಬಲವಂತನೋ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ನಯ್ಯನ ಚತುರಯುಗದಿ ತಾನೋ ಅತಿ ಬಲವಂತನೋ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ನಯ್ಯನ ಚತುರ ಮೂರುತಿಗಳ ಚತುರತನದಿ ಬದಿಸಿ ಚತುರ ಮೂರುತಿಗಳ ಚತುರತನದಿ ಬದಿಸಿ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖನಾಗಿ ಚತುರ್ವಿಧ ಫಲ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖನಾಗಿ ಚತುರ್ವಿಧ ಫಲ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ ಘಟಿಕಾ ಚಲದಿ ನಿಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಹನುಮಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಹನುಮಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಹನುಮಂತ 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 ಘಟಿಕಾ ಜಲದಿ ನಿಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ ಘಟಿಕಾ ಜಲದಿ ನಿಂತ ಘಟಿಕಾ ಜಲದಿ ನಿಂತ ಘಟಿಕಾ ಜಲದಿ ನಿಂತ.
I am giving the Bhagavad Gita on rice, which was written on rice. The shloka was written, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishnaha, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shrihi Vijayaha Bhutihi Dhruvanitir Matirmama. That shloka is written in the rice. I am very glad to give the blessings of Gita Acharya. I hope Ratan Tata is, his Tata means he is the Pitamaha. He is the Pitamaha, Ratnaratha Tata. He is the Pitamaha of the nation. If he is going to be strengthened, then whole nation will be strengthened. Again, I hope God should bless him with strength.
Thank you very, very much. Deeply.
Heart, my devotee.
Thank you. Deeply honored. I can only say that I am very deeply touched and very deeply honored by the goodwill and the warmth of the blessings that you have given today. I can only share with you that one has a sense of great goodness in your presence, and yes, we met very casually and surprisingly at New York Airport, and it's wonderful to be with you again and to see you and to be in your midst. Thank you so much for everything you've offered me. I'm very deeply touched and very deeply humbled also. Thank you so much.